Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes that $3,000 workstation you bought last year look like a plastic toy. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was just the budget Mac. It was the box you bought when you couldn't afford a Pro or needed a cheap server to hide in your closet. But something fundamental changed in late 2024, and now in 2026, Apple is pulling the trigger on a device that shouldn't even legally exist. We are talking about the M5 Mac Mini. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the first time Apple is using Fusion architecture in a desktop this small. This is the Mac Studio killer we have been waiting for, and it is here to disrupt everything we know about desktop computing. There is a reason the leaks are coming out of the supply chain with such intensity right now. Professional editors are actually holding off on buying expensive rigs because this $599 beast is about to destroy the very idea of a budget computer. Think about the sheer audacity of what is happening here. While the rest of the industry struggles with power-hungry chips and cooling bricks, Apple is shrinking the brain and expanding the power. The M5 chip is the first consumer silicon built on a refined 3nm process that pushes the absolute boundaries of physics. But the part that will make you stop and stare, the GPU. The latest leaks suggest a massive 45% jump in graphics performance over the M4. That isn't just a small improvement, it is a generational leap. If you are a gamer, a 3D artist, or someone who lives in Final Cut Pro, that 45%, the difference between waiting for a render and being finished before you even realize it. This puts the base Mac Mini in direct competition with dedicated desktop graphics cards. It is a level of power that simply shouldn't fit in a box this small. The core of this revolution is the M5 Pro and its Fusion architecture. This state-of-the-art design connects two dies into a single system on a chip. For the first time, Apple is bringing high bandwidth, advanced packaging to the Mini lineup. We are looking at a chip that packs up to 18 CPU cores, featuring what Apple calls super cores. These are the world's fastest CPU cores for single-threaded tasks. They even remove the traditional efficiency cores in the Pro models, replacing them with 12 all-new performance cores. This results in a 30% boost in CPU performance. Whether you are compiling millions of lines of code or layering 100 tracks in a music session, the M5 Mini handles it without breaking a sweat. It doesn't just feel fast, it feels like it's predicting your next move. The real headline, however, is the AI performance. Apple is positioning the M5 Mac Mini as the central AI brain of your home. The new GPU architecture includes a dedicated neural accelerator in every single core, allowing for a 4x jump in AI performance. We are talking about running large language models locally on your desk with speeds that make cloud-based AI feel like a slow dial-up connection. Image generation is now up to 8x faster than the original M1 Pro. This shift means your data stays private and your tools work instantly without an internet connection. This is the Apple intelligence endgame. They want every Mac Mini to be a local supercomputer capable of real-time video upscaling and AI-driven coding. To support this massive power, Apple has overhauled the internal storage and connectivity. The base storage has finally been doubled to 512 gigabytes. The new SSD controller is a total game changer, with read and write speeds up to 14.5 gigabytes per second. That is nearly double the speed of the previous generation, effectively turning your storage into an extension of your RAM. Connectivity is also future-proofed with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. Thunderbolt 5 is now standard on the Pro, offering 120 gigabits per second. This can drive multiple 8K displays and massive storage arrays, making the Mac Mini the most versatile hub in Apple's entire ecosystem. But there is a massive catch that everyone is talking about: the Texas factor. Apple has confirmed they are bringing Mac Mini production to a new high-tech facility in Houston, Texas. This is a huge shift in the supply chain. Moving to the U.S. might help avoid international tariffs, but higher labor costs mean the price has to go somewhere. This is why we are hearing rumors of a significant price increase. The days of the $599 Mac Mini might be coming to an end, with the base model potentially jumping to $699 or $799. It's a bitter pill to swallow, but when you look at the performance, it's still a bargain. Can a device this small handle the heat? The M5 stays cool thanks to a hidden internal redesign of the thermal pillars. This involves packaging technology that separates the CPU and GPU into different physical tiles. It spreads the heat across the entire chip surface instead of creating one massive hot spot. This allows the Mac Mini to maintain pro-level speeds for hours without ever sounding like a jet engine. It is silent, deadly, and incredibly efficient. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini represents the proification of the entry-level Mac. It is no longer a budget compromise. It is a legitimate powerhouse that fits in your backpack. It's small enough to hide behind a monitor, but powerful enough to replace a Mac Studio for 90% of users. The move to Texas production, a bold political and economic play that ensures made in America quality, though we may pay a slight premium for it. Regardless of the $100 price hike, the value-to-performance ratio is simply unbeatable in the current market. If you have been waiting to upgrade, the wait is officially over. The M5 Mac Mini is the new king of the desktop. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.